Hello everyone, we are in the second church. It is beautiful, right? Look, a golden thing. Wow, so many statues. Let's go inside and look inside. Wow. It is big, right? Do you know who is that? That is Jesus. This is beautiful, right?
So nagkakaroon po ng
Let's look there.
siyang na araw bago po isilang ng ating Panginoon. So yan po ay nakapani dito sa bayan ng Panginoon. At nag-iisa rin po ang imahin ng Nuestra Señora
Let's take a picture.
O imahin po ng mahal na Birhen na
Let's go outside.
So dito lang po natin makikita.
Let's go outside.
Dito po ay inihato ni Haring Carlos.
Look! Wow! This is beautiful here. Let's go outside, guys. And let's look something that is exciting. Let's go! Look! That is the entrance. There. What is over here, guys? Wow! Is that beautiful? What is this inside of that thing there? See that? I don't know. Look! It's beautiful here, guys. The sun is shines so bright. And there's so many cars here. This church is beautiful. And let's ask my mother if what the church called. Okay, let's go.
So yun po, lecture service ko rin na po. So hindi po, sa ngalan po ng aking mga paroko, Benedicto Padre Jesus Machera, hindi po, ano po dito sa parokya ng mga
I think that there is the confession. I think here is the confession. I think. But let's ask my mother what is called this church.
Nag-produce pa lang po kami. Ano po? Kaya po kami lalapit sa inyo at hindi kami na magtitulong.
Nuestra Señora Kapanganakan ng Mahal na Birhen.
Okay, that is was the call of this church. That was fun, guys. Look, do you know where is that? That is Santo Niño. It's Jesus. And you know what's that? Oh, it's Jesus. He was gonna crowned with phoenix. And who is that? I don't know. It is. Let's look there. San Jose Maria Escriba. That's cool. I don't know what is up there. There. I don't know. But let's take a look.
Ayaw mo kayo lumapit dito sa imahe. So ito po yung original
That's
image.
beautiful there.
Halos imahe po natin kasi
Let's go down.
ilan po ang Santo Niño.
This is beautiful, right? This is the end of this video of the second church of our lives. Thank you very much for watching this. Like and subscribe and click the notification bell for the magic earth. La, 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 la.